Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play YouTube in a Ford Ecosport. First, you will need a compatible smartphone and a USB cable or a reliable Bluetooth connection. The key is to mirror your phone's screen onto the car's display or use an app that allows video playback. This method is straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps, making your journeys more entertaining. We will cover the exact process to get your favorite videos playing smoothly. To begin, connect your smartphone to your Ford Ecosport. For the best experience, use a high-quality USB data cable to plug your phone into one of the car's USB ports. This often provides a more stable connection for video. If your car supports wireless mirroring, ensure Bluetooth is on and your phone is paired. Some systems might require you to enable Android Auto or Apple CarPlay first. Once connected, navigate to the screen mirroring or projection option on your Ford Ecosport's infotainment display. This might be labeled as App Link, Mirror Link, or similar. Open the YouTube app on your phone and its content should now be mirrored onto your car's screen. Remember, for safety reasons, video playback is typically only available when the vehicle is not in motion, such as when parked. For the best experience, always ensure your phone has a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi or a strong cellular signal, to prevent buffering. Remember, safety is paramount. Never attempt to watch videos while driving. Most car systems will automatically disable video playback when the vehicle is in motion. Consult your Ford Ecosport's owner's manual for any specific limitations or advanced features related to your infotainment system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.